Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury in 6th house. The planet Mercury in the 6th house of your chart signifies that reality, discreet, logic, effective, you do intellectual things. Observe. You can work related to education, medical, medicine, skill, hard work, you may be overworked. Plan, commerce, secretary, you can do many jobs. You can work related to evangelism, you can work related to analytics. Accountant, you can work related to advertising. You can work related to computer. Technology, information technology, you can work related to literature, writing, translator, newspapers. Library. MC, broadcaster. Screenwriter, director, statistical. You may have respiratory problems, asthma. You may have foreign substance reaction, allergies. You have digestive problems. You may have infections, viruses. You may have a lung disease. Hand. Shoulder. Throat. Nose. Urethra. You may have a bowel disease. You have a nervous system problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.